C.S. Lewis once said, "You are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream." Hi, I'm Kathy Archer. When I turned 50, it threw me for a loop. It just made me think, like, how did I get here? When did this happen? Half my life was over and I hadn't done half the things that I wanted to do. And so after being depressed for a while, I decided, I'm going after all the things that I want in life. I don't know how much longer I have, but I'm going to make them happen. I'm going to live my life the way I choose to live it going forward. So one of the things I've always wanted was to be in shape, to be fit, to be almost like an athlete. And I never achieved that. And so now I'm going after it. I'm going to make it happen. And today is that day that I begin. Lao Tzu once said, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Today, right now, is my one step, my single step to begin my journey towards health and fitness. And I want to challenge you to think about that goal that you want to achieve, something that you really want in life that you've not been able to achieve. I want to challenge you to start today, to go after it, to make it happen. Let's do this journey together. As I take my first step, you take your first step towards that goal that you really want. And let's support each other in making it happen. Happy discoveries.